Hi everyone, this is Arulprabhu, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Applications, Kaiser College of Arts and Science for Women. The subject which we are going to deal today is the ethics of artificial intelligence. We are all very much clear about the term artificial intelligence because nothing is happening without artificial intelligence nowadays and in future also. So ethics, what are all the ethics that must be followed and must be considered while using AI as well as while developing the AI? Let us enter into the unit topics to see what are all needs to be considered. The title is what we are going to deal with the unit 1 or the role of artificial intelligence in human life. Understanding the ethics, then why ethics in artificial intelligence needed, ethical considerations of AI, current initiatives of AI and ethics, then various ethical issues in our relationship with artificial entities. Coming to the role of AI in human life nowadays, daily life integration processes were lot much involved in AI. That too in near future, everything completely depends on AI only. Then professional uses and how the industrial uses are made with AI. Everyday life, healthcare we are getting with AI, education system nowadays completely moving into AI, using AI because what the data you need, from where you need, everything will be brought to you within fraction of seconds. Then transportation, how it is being used, how we are going to track the mode of transport which we are using, what is the cost which you are going to spend for our transport, what will be the timing of our transport, everything is done with AI. Business and industries, entertainments, creativity, that's the main thing needs to be applauded for using AI. Then agriculture, environment, governance and security processes completely deals with AI. Then coming understanding the ethics. The ethics means mainly the rules, unwritten rules or unharming things that needs to be done for or followed for human kind. Definition and nature of ethics which is being defined, where the three things are compared in the image. You can clearly see, you can come with the definition comparisons, then branches of ethics, then importance of ethics in human life, why it is important, sources of ethical values, where all these ethical values are being extracted or taken into consideration, then ethics versus morals versus laws. This is an important thing needs to be cleared. Ethics shows that unwritten thing which must be followed without for being without harming other human beings. Then morals means the from the historical data what are all needs to be followed to avoid sufferings. Then laws, you are well know that what we must follow, should do kind of thing. Then ethical dilemmas, what are all the things which will be in an dilemma or oscillation kind of thing. Then ethical dilemmas, after that professional ethics, challenges in ethical decision making. That's a huge thing. Then why ethics needs to be followed in artificial intelligence, the safety and security risks are there that needs to be considered. Trust and public acceptance must be made before implementing any AI being developed. Then moral and philosophical questions must be answered. Whoever shall question any AI, they have the rights, because AI is directly going to impact on humankind only. Then coming to risk of bias and discriminations must be considered, accountability and responsibility of activities that is being done by AI. Then job displacement and economic inequality, that's the primary thing. Then coming to ethical consideration of AI, fairness and non-discrimination must be made, transparency and explainability, how it is being working, and explainability, that how it's working, what thing it is being following to make any decisions, everything must be responsibly explained. Then coming to security and safety, ethical design and the intent of that AI being developed, legal and regularity considerations, these are all things. Then coming to current initiatives in AI and ethics, government and intergovernmental frameworks which is being developed, industry-led initiatives made with the use of AI, academic and non-profit contributions made, global multi-stakeholder dialogues, then challenges and the road ahead needs to be followed, then ethical issues in our relationship with artificial intelligence, that is what are all the ethical kind of problems we are facing, that means the human are facing with the AI, that thing, moral status and rights, which we discussed already, the bias, the fairness and the social impact of AI. Then coming to the next unit, AI governance by human rights centered design, normative models, role of professional norms, and teaching machines to be moral. How you are going to teach the AI machines being with morals. Yeah. Then AI governance by human rights centered design. What is human rights centered design? What are all the core principles that is to be followed? Then what are all the tools and practices which we use and implement? Then various challenges faced and criticisms that needs to be faced on developing the AI, the future of AI governance thing. The normative models, what are all the key theories needs to be followed? Hybrid and contextual approaches, that is taken into consideration while going with the AI development, challenges in implementing normative models, emerging directions and applications, then role of professionals, what it plays is a very vital role, why norms are very much mattering in artificial intelligence, then various limitations that is to be followed and that is to be given while developing the AI, then strengthening the professional norms in the age of artificial intelligence, then how we are going to teach the machines to be moral, why we need to teach that, then various approaches to teach the machine, the reasons, the things, everything needs to be followed. So we will be proceeding with the further topics in future. Thank you. See you.